this video, we will demonstrate how to use HiyaSmart app to control your device. Ensure the device has a stable power supply. Turn on the washing machine. Press Settings on the upper right corner. Choose Wi-Fi settings. Select Wi-Fi configuration mode. Connect with your Wi-Fi router. Open HiyaSmart app. Press plus symbol button. Choose the washing machine product category. Choose the washing machine according to the name. To start the binding process, do the following steps and press the above operations have been completed. Then press Next. Wait for the connection process to be completed. Once the binding process is finished, you can set your device information, name and location, then press Use immediately. After the loading finished, you will enter the device control panel. You can control your device various functions in here. For example, you can choose the washing mode, washing temperature, and other advanced functions. If you need any assistance in the process, you can contact our service team. HiyaSmart, customize your life.